Hello children, let's learn some colors. Pink color, green color, black color, forest green color, royal blue color, sky blue color. Numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 0, 10. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star, yellow color, square, brown color, circle, pink color, triangle, orange color, heart, red color, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.